Ernie's asking, where are the asset classes that are most blue ocean opportunity? Blue ocean meaning, I wrote a book called Blue Ocean Opportunities in Commercial Real Estate. Blue ocean really means there is less competition. You're smooth sailing versus a bloody ocean where everybody's cutting prices and all. It's very, very bloody, blue ocean, just no competition. Okay. And believe it or not, in the state of California and many places around the country, land developments, believe it or not, because no one knows the value of a land. This is where there are a lot of opportunities, because you can see where there are decreases, like for example, Los Angeles, they had a desire to increase density. So we go look at a property. Now I wasn't doing this property, so it's for my brother. And they had approved it for 6 units before. But then when we heard that there is density change, so my brother went to check with the city. They said, hey, we are gonna okay it for you to do 8 units right there. So now, right there, the value of the land is like 30% more, because you could do 6 only, and now you can do 2 more. 2 divided by 6 is 30% more. So the value of the land goes up. And then we found out after that if you're gonna do a couple units of low-income housing, they will allow you to add 2 more units. So the deal goes from 6 units to 10 units. So not only did he do that deal, get the land very inexpensively, because nobody knew what to put in there. Oh, it's just gonna put 6 units. I don't know if the numbers make sense. It's just not gonna pan out because the cap rates are so high and then the cost of build out, etc. But 10 units, oh, now it makes a lot more sense. Well, he also found a 4-plex that he could buy on another place that was run down, horrible, and tenants, whatever, and said, I'm gonna buy it because it's also approved for the same zoning thing, for the same density. It will go to 10 units. So now he got the lot and another 4-plex that nobody could see that opportunity. Now this exists all over. Like I'm telling you, I'm not crazy about developments in general, but in small pockets of opportunities where the land is underpriced because nobody knows what to develop on it, it's phenomenal. The same land, one person can say it should be a farm and I can put some corn on it, and so it's worth 400,000. Or you can come in and say, I can put some beautiful condos upstairs and mix use with some retail downstairs, and now the land is worth $1.5 million. So which one is it gonna be approved? How do you know that? You study the areas. There are some things called density studies. In those density, there is something called absorption studies. Absorption. If I put a hotel, how much of the market is it gonna take? If I put retail, will that work best? So I think the best opportunities, Ernie, are in land development. If you find what could be there, and then find how little you need to pay for the land, because what will be the cost per square foot to build, and you find out, oh my gosh, my end thing is gonna be 800,000, but the building will be worth 2 million. Like a build to suit single tenant building, for instance. Okay, good luck with that.
All right, Ernie, do you have any follow-up questions? I saw you were on.
Not at all. I think that was pretty clear. And I was thinking about the build to suit when you were covering that earlier. So far, I'm very impressed with the level of knowledge here, not only for Cherif, but also the participants. So very pleased to be here. Thank you.